Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
म्हादय डायवर्ट करून उदक व्हरपाचें प्रकरण सुप्रीम कोर्टात आसा. ताचेर म्हादय बचाव अभियानाची पणजे बसका जाली. सुप्रीम कोर्टात म्हादय बचाव अभियानाची केस पळोवपी भवानीशंकर गडनीस म्हणटा कारणां दाखय नोटीसीचेर कर्नाटकान जाप दिल्या. ताचो गोयच्या चीफ वायल्ड लायफ वॉर्डनान आदी निकाल लावंक जाय.
Goan people are being fooled, saying that Mahadei Bachao matter is coming in Supreme Court and Supreme Court will decide in our favor. It is absolutely wrong, because unless and until court gives a one verdict, nobody can say it will be in our favor or it will be against us. Right? Now the question is, last occasion when the matter came, it was clearly stated Goa Wildlife Board warden to take a decision. As of today, Goa Wildlife Board has not taken any decision. So how can Supreme Court go ahead with the matter? It's not possible, so the matter will be adjourned. So you are saying that matter is coming, we are winning, is absolutely wrong. This government is so serious, they have already challenged the Panchal Commission matter in Supreme Court, that is sharing of water. Then they should somehow or other try to see that the main matter is taken on board and decided, like Kaveri Commission. Okay, and it cannot be decided on miscellaneous days. It has to be on regular hearing, because if your main matter challenge to Panchal Commission award comes, it will go for 2-3 days, hearing will take place, and you will be required to have a lawyer like Mukul Rohgi for the matter.
अभियानाची संयोजक निर्मला सावंत म्हणटा सरकार लोकांक फटयता.
Government of Goa is not serious. The government of Goa has no will to protect Goa and to protect Mhadei. If Goa government had the intentions to protect, then they would have seen to that the wildlife in Goa is protected, so that wildlife warden would have taken the decision in our favor. But there is no movement on that side. Secondly, whenever they are speaking, it is an eyewash, but they don't want to do anything. For example, revise the DPR. They had announced the quantity. Karnataka has announced the quantity, but here these people are quiet. They are not challenging it, as he has told that they have to go to the court and they have to challenge it.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट स्वप्नील तारी.